big ass pot.
You have to put a small pot next to it. This way you should do big. Yes, your foot. Different size for.
Woo! Yes. I'm ready. Yes. See what we have in here. Oh man, my camera. Oh, beef bone, oxtail, beef neck bone. Oh shit. That's it.
But I will eat meatball. Meatball.
I'm ready for noodles.
Every time you'll see me give it to you.
No. I was in my zone. 7.
6, 7.
See, Mom is.
Hi, yours.
The best.
I'm gonna make you more.
Now, are you gonna make noodles? No, I just need to know so I can lower it down.
Ribs.
Smack your face. Smack your face.
Oxtail. Oh shit, that's so poy.
Face noodles.
Smack your face. Smack your face. Smack your face.
Oh, you have to go add whatever you want.
Wow, that's for like
No, I mean like, oh, you want to make noodles?
Yamas are
Nham con.
the cheese.
Yeah, I can.
None.
More meatball. But I don't know eat. I want more meatball, Mom. You give me more meatball.
You're done, you don't need any more bowls.
There's my bowl right there. My high
You done eating?
No.
Not yet? Huh?
I'm almost done.
You almost done?
Yeah, I'm almost done. And my mushroom, and my meat,
Yeah.
and my Papa, what? What, Goo? What, Goo?
What you doing?
Yeah, I moved you.
You don't move me.
Yeah, I sit right here.
You sit right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about to take a shot.
I Robert. Yeah, you think
Robert.
you Robert. You give me Robert.